And so it is with the pleasure and joy, so it is with the love, that we welcome you. Each of you, all of you here, each of you there. We welcome you to this excursion. This excursion across the span of space and time to the farthest reaches of your universe and to the farthest stretches of your imagination. We welcome you with pleasure, with joy, with love. We welcome you to this excursion that is a celebration, a mystical celebration to engage the beauty, the sublime beauty of Sirius. Yes, welcome. For many years now we have talked of Sirius, we've worked with Sirius. Many of you have heard its call on numerous occasions and have responded to that call and have gathered like you gather now to once again return, to once again explore Sirius and your connection to this incredibly mysterious star system. In your heavens, as you look up, you can first easily identify the belt of Orion, the constellation, and off to, as you look at it, to the right and upward, a cluster, a mysterious cluster of dusty-looking stars, that of the Pleiades. And off to the left and slightly down, the brightest star in your heavens, a twinkling star, the star of Sirius, the dog star of that constellation, the star of Sirius. And as visible as Orion's belt may be, and as cloudy and mysterious as the Pleiades, there's something about Sirius, something about that twinkling light, that star so bright, the brightest star, 8.5 light years roughly away, that brightest star of your heavens. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder who you are. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Make a wish. This star that has spoken, whose voice has been heard throughout the history of humankind in your modern world, throughout the history of humankind upon your planet. Sirius is the brightest star in your heavens, and it seems to wobble. And what scientists have discovered once they had the technology, once they had the observing and measuring devices, was that it's actually not one star at all, but a double star, a dual star, that around this bright star called Sirius A, there is a dwarf star, a dark star called Sirius B. A star that was once bright and brilliant, that supernovaed and then collapsed into the density of what a tiny star, but with a gravitational pull immense that causes in its elliptical orbit of 50-some years this star to wobble and therefore to appear to twinkle, to sparkle more than other stars of heaven, as though to say, here I am, see me.